Hello. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another live streaming. Today we are discussing about a polynomial topic, that is remainder theorem. Okay, we are starting where we left after that remainder theorem. Okay. Before we jump into this topic, we must discuss some basic things. That is, I am taking a number like 37. Okay, and I shall divide it by 5. So we know the 5 7 the 35 and the remainder is 2. And in the basic we have learned that this is our dividend. This is divisor. This is our quotient, and this is remainder. So this is our remainder. Now similarly, dividend is always equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder is 2. We all know this, because if the remainder is 0, but that is there is no remainder, then the division is fulfilled happened. In this similar case for polynomial, if g of x is polynomial, is a divisor of the dividend, that is f of x, and if the quotient is q of x and the remainder is r of x, then definitely f of x is g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay, like I must take an example as x cube plus x square plus 7. Okay, must divide it by x plus 1. So at first I am using x square here, because here is the power is 3 and here is the power is 1. So we must take the power as 2. So 2 plus 1, the power will be 3. So x square into x plus 1 will be x to the power cube plus x square. And there is the remainder 7. Okay, so if this my f of x and this is my g of x, and if this is q of x and this is r of x, then definitely f of x equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay, now verify this. This is my f of x, that is x cube plus x square plus 7, and this is my g of x, that is x plus 1. This is my quotient, that is x square, and this is my r of x, that is remainder is 7. So definitely that will be x cube plus x square plus 7, and both sides are equal, so verify. Now remainder theorem says that if p of x be a polynomial of degree greater or equals to 1, and a be a number and if p of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder will be f of a. Okay, there is another phase of this statement, that is if f of x is divided by g of x, okay, and a be 0 of g of x, then remainder will be f of a. So here f of x is the polynomial of degree greater or equals to 1. That should be maintained. So let me prove the theorem. So if f of x is divided by g of x and let quotient, that is q of x, will be the quotient and r of x will be the remainder, okay. So definitely f of x equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay. And another thing is the remainder should be a constant, okay. Here r of x should be a constant. Like if g of x equals to x minus a, then definitely a will be the 0 of g of x, because if I replace the x by a in g polynomial, then that will be a minus a equals to 0. So definitely a is the 0 of this function. So now just putting the value, or before putting the value we should discuss about r, okay. So here degree of g is equals to 1. So definitely r of x equals to constant. Okay, definitely that will be happen because this is the form like, and this is the remainder. So if the degree of r of x is greater than this polynomial, then definitely the division process move forward. But if this will be constant or degree is less than this, and the degree of this is what? This is 1. So definitely this will be constant, obviously. So let the constant be r. Okay. So from this equation we can say that f of x equals to x minus a into q of x plus r. And definitely that will happen. Next, putting the value x equals to a. So f of a should be a minus a, that will be 0 of course, plus r, and r will be f of a. Now let me check it. So my first question is, if f of x, that means my x to the power 4 minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 1 is divided by this polynomial, that is g of x equals to x minus 1, then what will be the remainder? So this is my first question. So we should apply here the remainder theorem. So at first we must find out the 0 of this g of x. Okay, so this is my g of x. Let alpha, here I am taking a symbol alpha, be 0 of g of x. Then definitely g of alpha should be 0. That's imply alpha minus 1 will be 0 and alpha equals to 1. So here 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay. Now according to my remainder theorem, the remainder will be what? F of 1. That means f of the 0 of this divisor g of x. So 1 is here the 0 of g of x, the divisor. So we must replace the value x by 1 in this polynomial f of x. So what will be the f of 1? F of 1 will be 1 to the power 4 minus 3 into 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 1. Definitely that will be 1 minus 3 plus 2 plus 1, and that is what? That is again 1 minutes. So can we verify it? Of course we can verify it. So I am taking verifying. So here I am dividing by x minus 1 to f of x, that is x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. At first I am applying x cube, that will be x to the power 4 minus x cube, so there is no x cube term, so remainder will be x cube minus 3x square. So again I am applying x square, so my remainder will be x cube minus x square, and that will be again changing the sign, so minus x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, now I am taking minus x as well, so that will be minus x square plus x, and definitely there will be the opposite sign, so that is x plus 1. Here I am taking 1, that is x minus x cube, x cube 3x square 2, now x cube minus 3x square. Yes, that is good. Then x square, x cube minus x square, of course, and that will be minus 2x square. Sorry, there is some mistake there. That will be 2 minus 2x square plus 2x. Okay, okay. That will be minus 2x. That will be minus 2x square plus 2x. Sorry. The remainder will be 1. Yeah, fine. So this is the total division, and here this is the quotient, and this is the remainder. So here you can see remainder theorem, the remainder and this are same, so verified. Okay, then the next topic, what will be the remainder? Come taking next page. If f of x equals to what? 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5 is divided by g of x, that is x minus 2 by 3. Okay, so at first I am taking the 0 of divisor, that is g of x should be here, divisor is x minus 2 by 3. Let a be 0 of g of x, then definitely g of a should be 0, and we can get the value of a here as well. A should be 2 by 3. So according remainder theorem, the remainder will be f of a, that is f of 2 by 3. So we just put the value as x as 2 by 3 in this equation, so that will be okay. 9. X cube means 2 by 3 whole cube minus 3, 2 by 3 the whole square plus 2 by 3 minus 5. That is 8 by 27 minus, that is 4 by 9, okay, plus 2 by 3 minus 5. Definitely that will be 3. Definitely that will be 3. So 8 by 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 5. So I am taking LCM from these three parts. 8 minus 4 plus 2 minus 5. Okay. So here you can go 6 by 3 minus 5. So definitely 2 minus 5, and that is minus 6. So this is my answer. Minus C is the remainder of this division. Okay. Now look at this sum. I'll be right back. Okay. Next we jump to the next question. That is taking the red color here. If the polynomials ax cube plus 3x square minus 13 and 2x cube minus 5x plus a, comma, when divided by x minus 2, leave the same remainder. Okay. So what is the value of a? This is so easy. So here the information is this polynomial is divided by this, the remainder, and this polynomial is divided by this, the both the remainder are same. So at first we should mention this polynomial. Let g of x equals to x minus 2, f of x equals to ax cube plus 3x square minus 30, and that is px. Polynomial of x is 2x cube minus 5x plus a. So at first we should find out the zero of the divisor. Let k be zero of g of x. So g of k should be 0, and that is k minus 2 equals to 0. So k equals to 2. So here 2 is 0 of g of x. Okay. Next, when f of x, this is my f of x, is divided by g of x, the remainder is f of 2, as 2 is the 0 of g of x. Here. So my f of 2 is, just put the value, a into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus 30. That will be 8a plus 12 minus 30. 8a minus 1. So what is my f of, okay. So next is when p of x is divided by g of x, the remainder is p of 2, as 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. So what is the p of 2? Just replace x by 2 in this formula. 2x cubed minus 5x plus 8. So 2 cubed minus 5 into 2 plus 8. Plus 8. Now according to question, these two remainder are same. These two remainders, that is 6 plus a, is same as 8a minus 1. So I'm taking just values 7a. Okay, I'm making another step, that is 8a minus a will be 6 plus 1. Definitely 7a equals to 7. So a will be this. So this is my answer. Okay, 12. Next, another question. That is the polynomial p of x was x to the power 4 minus 2x cubed plus 3x square minus ax plus 3a minus 7 when divided by x plus 1 leaves 19 as remainder. Now the question is, first question is what is the value of a, and second question is find the value of a and what is the remainder. Find the remainder if p of x is divided by x plus 2. So this is my question. Yes, as it is similar process. So at first we should find the help the divisor. Let g of x is the divisor, that is x plus 1. So let a be 0 of g of x. So definitely g of a should be 0. So a plus 1 will be 0 and a will be 1. Okay. I cannot take a as, because here already a is given. So we should take another variable that will be k. So this is the 0 of divisor minus 1. Now according if p of x, that is my given polynomial, is divided by g of x, then by remainder theorem the remainder will be what? P of the 0 of the divisor, that is minus 1. So we should replace the x of p of x by minus 1. So p of x here it is given. So minus 1 to the power 4 minus 2 into minus 1 cube plus 3 of minus 1 square a into minus 1 plus 3a minus 7, that is 1 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 1 minus a into minus 1, that is a plus 3m minus 7. So definitely that will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4a minus 7, and that is 6 plus 4a minus 7. So 4a minus 1, this is my remainder, and according to question this is my given value, that is 19. So 4a should be 20 and a should be 5. So this is the A. So the remainder will be, so the polynomial is, we should write the polynomial here, x to the power 4 2x cubed minus plus 3x square minus 5x plus 3 into 5 minus 7 to the power 4 minus 2x cubed plus 3x square minus 5x plus 15 minus 7, and that is x to the power 4 minus 2x cubed. Just writing the value and calculation as well. So this is my polynomial. Next question is, what is the remainder if p of x is divided by x plus 2? So at first we should find out the 0 of x plus 2. Let g of x is x plus 2. Let alpha be 0 of d of x. So definitely d of alpha will be 0. That is alpha plus 2 will be 0 and alpha will be minus 2. And if p of x is divided by t of x, the remainder will be p of alpha, that is p of minus 2. So here I am putting the value. Still 5, 8, okay, 16 plus 16 plus 12 plus 18, 32, and that is 30, so 62. The answer. Okay, so guys, this is for today. We shall be meet another video on another day. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.